우리는 뒤늦게서야 깨달았습니다. 분노한 자연 앞에선 인류의 무력함은 착각이라는 것을. 오늘 소개해드릴 영화는 투모로우입니다. 지구의 환경오염으로 인한 온난화가 심각해진 지구. 여기 이들은 남극에서 빙하코어를 연구하고 있습니다. 하지만 잠시 후 남극의 빙하코어에 이상현상이 발생하게 되는데 이런 심각한 문제에 기후학자인 잭 박사는 세계 국제회의에 참석하여 안건을 발의하게 됩니다.
The concentration of these natural greenhouse gases in the ice cores indicates that runaway warming pushed the planet into an ice age which lasted 2 centuries. The northern hemisphere owes its temperate climate to the North Atlantic current. Heat from the sun arrives at the equator and is carried north by the ocean. But global warming is melting the polar ice caps and disrupting this flow. Eventually it will shut down.
하지만 경제 발전에 급급한 나머지 잭 박사의 안건은 무시당하게 되며 돌아가는 길 우연찮게 기상센터의 테리 교수를 만나게 됩니다.
I was wondering if I could talk to you about your theory on abrupt climate shift. The name's Rapson. Terry Rapson.
Professor Rapson of the Headland Center?
That's me.
I've read your work on ocean currents.
It's very odd. There's a boy here registering a 13-degree drop in ocean temperature.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
그렇게 기상센터로 돌아온 교수는 관측 모니터의 경관람 발생을 확인하게 되고 그 사실을 믿고 싶지 않았지만 결국 이상현상은 이미 시작되어 있었던 거죠.
Hello?
I just saw that Sam got an F in calculus.
Excuse me, I'm not the one who's away for months and months at a time. I'll let him explain it to you. Can you take him to the airport in the morning?
Sam's getting on a plane.
He joined the Scholastic Decathlon team. They were competing in New York.
Sam joined a team?
Yeah, I think there's a girl involved.
그러고 다음날 잭 박사의 아들 샘은 퀴즈 대회를 위해 뉴욕으로 향하게 되죠.
His name. Time's up. Correct answers, please. That's 5 points for Woodmont and 5 points.
시간이 지나 새벽녘 기상센터의 교수로부터 심상치 않은 전화가 오게 되는데
Terry Rapson here. You recall what you said in New Delhi about how polar melting might disrupt the North Atlantic current?
Yes.
Well, I think it's happening.
What do you mean?
There are no forecast models remotely capable of plotting this scenario.
그렇게 잭 박사의 예측 기상 모델이 적중되고 예상했던 시기보다 수온이 급격히 떨어지며 큰 기상 변화가 찾아오게 됩니다.
All our grid models are worthless.
I don't think grid models are going to be a lot of help here.
I got a call last night from Professor Rapson at the Headland Center. He thinks the current has changed.
Oh, come on, Jack. How could that be?
The current depends upon a delicate balance of salt and fresh water.
We all know that.
Yes, Headland had some pretty convincing data. They've asked me to feed it into my paleoclimate model to track the next set of events.
Hold on, Jack. Are you suggesting these weather anomalies are going to continue?
I think we're on the verge of a major climate shift.
Okay, we're now going live to our Fox affiliate in Los Angeles.
We have live coverage now from our Fox 11 chopper. Are you there, Bart?
Yes, I'm here. These tornadoes are forming so fast. What? Oh my God. Lisa, are you getting this on camera? That this tornado just came and erased the Hollywood sign. The Hollywood sign is gone. It's just shredded.
Bart, what can you see? Is anyone hurt?
I wouldn't be surprised. There is so much damage now.
What you're seeing are 2 actual tornadoes striking Los Angeles International Airport. Wait, it looks like they joined and formed one large tornado.
설상가상 잭 박사는 부통령을 찾게 되고 수많은 희생이 발생되지 않도록 경고를 하는데
This is very urgent, sir. Our climate is changing violently and it's going to happen over the next 6 to 8 weeks. I wish that I were, but I'm sure that you're aware of what's happening all around the world.
We're making all the necessary preparations for this storm.
What more do you expect?
You have to start thinking about large-scale evacuations right now, especially.
그럼에도 불구하고 부통령은 잭 박사의 경고를 무시하게 됩니다.
Were you able to recreate the thermal?
곧장 사무실로 돌아오게 된 그는 테리 교수와 업무 공유를 하게 되며 예측 경로를 파악하게 되고 2주 안에 빙하기가 도래한다는 결론을 찾아냅니다.
Yes, our previous estimates of 6 to 8 weeks weren't even close, and in 7 to 10 days. When this storm is over, we'll be in a new ice age.
한편 뉴욕으로 퀴즈대회에 참석했던 샘은 폭우로 인해 친구들과 함께 도서관으로 자리를 피하게 되는데
I can't understand what you're saying!
그 시각 빙하기의 전조현상인 폭풍 영향권에 들어서며 사상 유례 없는 토네이도와 헤일에 맞서게 됩니다.
Hey, where's Laura?
She was just right there.
She's right there. Right there, see?
이렇게 불가항력적인 자연재해에 도시는 순식간에 잠기게 되는데 가방을 가지러 간 로라는 그때 앞쪽에 커다란 헤일이 몰려오게 되고 이 상황을 알지 못한 로라는 샘의 도움을 받게 됩니다.
Listen, thanks for coming back for me. It was really brave. I guess I better return her back.
그렇게 도서관 안에 들어온 샘은 기후학자인 아버지의 도움을 받기 위해 전화를 찾게 되는데
Oh, but I think it's underwater.
Where are you going?
It works.
I've been trying to reach Sam.
So have I.
다행히도 샘은 아버지와 통화를 하게 되고 현재 상황에 대해 어떻게 대처해 나가는지 조언을 얻게 됩니다.
I'm all right. We're at the public library.
Sam, it's Mom. I'm so happy you're okay.
Sam, what's that noise?
Sam?
Sam, listen to me. Listen very carefully. Forget what I said about trying to head south. It's too late for that. The storm is just going to get worse. It's going to turn into a massive blizzard with an eye in the center of it, just like a huge hurricane.
Uh-huh.
Only the air is going to be so cold you could freeze to death in seconds.
What should we do?
Listen to me, son. Do not go outside. Just burn whatever you can to stay warm and try to wait it out. I will come for you. Do you understand me? I will come for you.
그런 그는 위기에 처한 아들한테 가기 위해 준비를 하던 중 백악관으로부터 호출을 받게 됩니다.
You have to explain your results to the administration.
I already tried that, Tom.
I know, this time it'll be different. You're gonna brief the president directly.
대통령 참석하에 브리핑이 시작되고 인류의 생존을 위해 최선의 차선책을 전달하게 되는데
What about the people in the north?
I'm afraid it's too late for them. If they go outside, the storm will kill them.
그 시각 샘이 있는 뉴욕은 폭풍이 멈추고 눈과 얼음으로 뒤덮이며 빙하기가 시작되는데 그때
People out there. I was walking my dog. There's hundreds of them. They're walking on the snow.
Where they all going?
Getting out of the city before it's too late. The water is frozen over enough to walk on. We should get going before the snow gets too deep. Everyone, wrap yourselves up as best as you can.
Excuse me, sir. You're making a mistake.
도서관의 그들은 바깥에 피난하는 사람들을 보게 되며 서둘러 떠나려고 하지만 샘의 만류에도 불구하고 그들은 그렇게 떠나게 됩니다.
It's gonna get really, really bad. You're not gonna be able to survive in it.
대부분의 사람들이 떠나게 되고 몇 안 되는 인원으로 체온 유지를 위해 벽난로가 있는 방으로 옮기게 되는데, 다행히 도서관 안에는 땔감으로 쓰기 충분한 책들이 있었고 간간히 라디오로 소식을 들으며 생존을 하게 됩니다. 그 시각 잭 박사는 동료들과 함께 아들 샘한테 가게 되는데,
Where do you think you're going?
Neither one of you knows how to navigate worth a damn. Without me, you'll end up in Cleveland.
The White House has ordered the following national disaster alert for all northern states. In Pittsburgh,
Where are we?
at least 15
Looks like we're just north of Philadelphia.
날이 어두워지고 시야가 좋지 않은 상황에 설상가상 사고까지 나버렸네요.
Unpack the snowshoes. We're walking from here.
그렇게 그들은 걸어서 이동하게 되고, 한참을 가던 중 눈에 가려진 바닥의 유리가 하중을 못 버티며 미처 손 쓸 새 없이 프랭크가 빠지게 됩니다.
The glass is breaking! Too much weight! It's not gonna hold!
Frank! I can get you out! Don't do it!
프랭크는 결국 한편 도서관의 로라는 의식을 잃고 누워있게 되는데,
She's awfully pale. Books can be good for something other than burning. All right, let's go over her symptoms.
I told you that she has a fever and that she's got a really cold sweat.
How's her pulse?
It's really fast.
Does she have any injuries, like a cut or something that might have gotten infected?
She was complaining about a cut on her leg a few days ago.
That's blood poisoning. Septicemia. She could go into septic shock.
I've seen that before. That can get bad.
She needs a massive dose of penicillin or a broad...
간호를 하며 걱정을 하던 샘은 헤일로 쓸려온 배로 약을 구하러 가게 되죠.
What are you doing?
There's gotta be medicine on that ship.
I'm going with you. Me too.
그들은 배에 도착해서 얼마 지나지 않아 약품 창고를 찾게 되는데, 이때 굶주린 늑대가 사람의 냄새를 따라 쫓아오게 되고,
Hey guys, I found it. What? How do you know?
샘의 임기응변으로 약을 구한 후 빠져나오려는 순간 다행히 일행들의 도움으로 늑대로부터 빠져나오게 되었지만, 그 위험도 잠시 심상치 않은 태풍의 눈에 들어와 있음을 인식하고 서두르게 되는데,
What's happening?
우여곡절 끝에 잭 박사는 내비게이션의 좌표대로 도착을 하였고, 눈에 파묻혀버린 도서관의 입구를 찾아 들어가게 되는데, 그렇게 그는 아들과 재회를 하게 되고 짙은 부성애를 보여주며 영화는 끝이 납니다.
Who is that?
My father. We made it.
These past few weeks have left us all with a profound sense of humility. in the face of nature's destructive power. For years, we operated under the belief that we could continue consuming our planet's natural resources without consequence. We were wrong. I was wrong.
그럼 이상 영화를 마치고 재미있게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드리고 다음 영상에서 인사드리겠습니다. 지금까지 무비톡톡이었습니다.